Hello everyone, I, Arshna Bharti, welcome you all in this session on calendar that will make you zero to champion in calendar. In the previous session, we learned about odd days. Now, in this session, we will learn about century year. Century year. Century year is a period of 100 years. Like 100 years, 200 years, 400 years, 500 years, 2000 years. All these are century years. Let's calculate leap year and ordinary year in 100 years. Friends, in 100 years, there are 24 leap years and 76 ordinary years. Let's prove this. As we know, for century year, to find it is leap year or not, we need to divide by 400. If the year is completely divisible by 400, then that year is a leap year. If that century year is not completely divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year. So, dividing 100 by 400, we got to know that it is not completely divisible by 400. So, 100 year is not a leap year. Now, we will subtract 100 years from -1 and our answer is 99 years. Now, we will find in this 99 year how many years are leap year and how many years are ordinary years. To find leap years, we will divide by 4. Dividing 99 by 4, 24 is our question. So, 24 is the number of leap years and the rest is 76. That is ordinary years. So, I will conclude in 100 years we have 24 leap years and 76 ordinary years. Let's calculate number of odd days in 100 years. As we know, 100 years has 24 leap years and 76 ordinary years. Also, we already know that ordinary year has 1 odd day and leap year has 2 odd days. So, 24 into 2 that is equal to 48 and 76 into 1 that is equal to 76. On total, we got 124. That is odd days. We also know that in a week there are 7 days. So, our odd days cannot be more than 6. This 124 days contains weeks and odd days. To find the exact number of odd days, we will divide 124 by 7. On dividing 124 by 7, quotient is our 17 and remainder is 5. So, we have 17 weeks and 5 odd days. You can say that in 100 years, there are 5 odd days. Moving on, let's calculate number of odd days for 200 years. As we know, in 100 years, we have 5 odd days. So, in 200 years, that is 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Now, our odd days cannot be more than 6 because the 7 odd days makes a complete 1 week. So, dividing 10 by 7, we got 1 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. So, 3 is the number of odd days. We can say that in 200 years, there are 3 odd days. Calculating number of odd days for 300 years. As we know, in 100 years, we have 5 odd days. So, for 300 years, we will have 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. But remember, odd days can be from 0 to 6. Dividing 15 by 7. Our remainder is 1. So 1 is the number of odd days in 300 years. Now calculating number of odd days for 400 years. As we already know, for 100 years there are 5 odd days. So for 300 years there is 1 odd day, and for 400 years, that is 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. We can also see that 400 year that is a century year, and this century year is a leap year, so 1 day will be extra. Now 20 plus 1, that is equal to 21. Now dividing this 21 by 7, our remainder is 0. So we can say that for 400 years we have 0 odd days. Friends, for every 400 years there is 0 odd days. Same is the case while 800 years, 0 odd days, 1200, 0 odd days, 1600, 0 odd days, 2000, 0 odd days, and so on. Let's summarize our learning. We find that for century year, that is 100 year, we have 5 odd days. For 200 years, we have 3 odd days. For 300 years, we have 1 odd day. And for 400 years, we have 0 odd days. Thank you so much.